Hi, welcome to the Quick City Workshop. In today's video I'm going to show you how I dismantle the torch and service it and put it back together, and then I'm going to cut out something with the cutting torch, so sit back and enjoy the video. To remove the heat shield you use this tool, put it in there, twist it open and it just comes off. If you finished with the machine, I'm going to show you how to dismantle the torch. You open this. After the torch is cooled down, you open it like this. There's the nozzle. That part is loose, comes out. And then this part here, just take a rag or something and it comes out like that. Now inside there's a little glass or quartz glass tube that you saw in the little box of spares. Now this tube can crack if you overheat the gun and you shove it in water too deep. That's when the glass is too hot and it touches the water, but that's why you shouldn't use a too deep container to cool the torch down. Like use a shallow one and don't fill it up all the way to the top, then you'll be fine. If that glass tube inside there is not cracked or broken, you can just leave that as it is. That's that part. And then this electrode part, that moves in and out as you turn this knob. If you can see there, it moves a little bit slightly in and out. And that adjusts the distance from this tip to the inside of that tip, and that creates the arc. So to remove this, you need to pop off this little cover here. You have to turn it clockwise all the way until you see that little, and then there's a screw in there and then you unscrew this by turning it 2 times, not more than that, because that little screw there inside mustn't come out. And then this whole electrode comes out like that. And that's how you dismantle the torch. Now, if this tip here is blunt and ugly, then you can sharpen it again. But this is still fine. This is a worn down tip. If you compare the two next to each other, you can see that it is a bit shorter. And that special metal inside there is eroded all the way down. There's a tip inside there that's made out of a special metal. It's not tungsten. I can't remember the name now. This tip screws out, and this is what you replace with the new one if this one is worn. So basically, if you look at the parts here on the table, there's a spring that goes behind this, like that, and the glass tube inside there. I'm just going to take it out and then I'll show you. There's a little tool with it that you can use to push the glass tube out and push it from the back like this. Then the tube just comes out. You can see that the tube is full of copper spatter, but it doesn't matter. It's still intact, no cracks. So I'm just going to reinstall it. You use this tool to push it in, and at the back it must be flush with the back. So you just push that to be flush there. And then basically to reassemble the torch, it's just a matter of putting back, screwing this in. There's a flat surface there that goes towards this side, and you push it in, and then before you tighten it, this is the welding torch and there's a red dot on the tool. You just use this to set the depth like that. On the side, and then when it's there, you tighten this nut there, and that makes this to be gripped behind, and then it's very important not to forget this spring, and that just pushes in like that, and you push it in by hand, and then use this little drill bit to clean out the nozzle. And this gets put back into the nozzle holder like that. And then this gets screwed in back like that. And tightened with this tool. Last thing, to put this little cap back. There you have it. It's just the heat shield that needs to be put back. Now the heat shield just clips on. There's two little holes there, and there's indentations here, and that just clips in that way. And there's the heat shield on. So that was fun. Cut out this little Christmas tree for my wife, and I bend it in such a way we can hang little things and decorations on it. That will be our Christmas tree for this year. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe and activate the bell so that you are notified when my next video comes up. Have a great week. Cheers.